Alrighty, what's up, Algebra 1? It's Mr. Tran right here. We are going to do a little tutorial on how to set up your verbal exam using a blank white sheet of paper. Usually this paper is used for printing, so let's get one out. Alright, so when you want to fold it, you want to kind of fold it like a brochure, okay? And how that's going to work out is that you kind of fold the first piece over like this, and then the next piece over so that the sides kind of like line up like this. And then you kind of just press down, okay? So do you see how they're like kind of even like that? So once you get that, you're gonna press it down and increase the size, all right? So I got that corner and I just press it down like this, trying to make sure that it's even like that, okay? So what you wanna get is when you open it back up, you're gonna have 3 boxes in the front and also 3 boxes in the back. Okay, we are going to have 6 questions for this verbal examination. Okay, so that's why you need 6 boxes. So what you want to do is you want to write down on the top right corner your name. So I'm going to write Mr. Tran. Okay, and then the date when you are completing this, and then the period that you are in. All right, and on the very top, you're going to write Chapter 1. Verbal exam, and we are going to be dealing with expressions and equations. Okay, so feel free to make a little box so that it is nice and organized like that, and feel free to make it colorful and organized so that it's easy to read and it's also pleasing to the eyes. All right, so when you write out every single question, I don't need you to write, with the word problems, you don't have to write out every single word, but I need you to write the basic essentials. So you are going to need to write the question number. So I'll do number 1. Okay, so you're going to write number 1 right here. Just circle that. And then you're going to write the lesson. So we talked about in lesson 1-1. And you don't have to write translating verbal and algebraic expressions, but you will need to write the expression, the equation, or the title of the word problem next to kind of the heading. Okay, so lesson 1-1, and I want you to pick one of the 3 options in the item bank on that Google Doc. Okay, so you have A, B, C, and D. So let me look at A. Okay, so let's say I pick option A. So I'm going to write A right here. And then I'm going to write this, because I had to write out the sentence to know what I'm looking at. So the sum of 3 times n and 16. Okay? Let me put a box there. All right, so you need to write the question number, the lesson, and also the option you picked on the side like that, okay? Everything you have right here is going to be showing your work. All right, and the more writing, the more steps and the more detail you put in this section, the better, okay? It helps me kind of see your thinking process. And remember, in red on the Google Doc, I have a question that I want you to verbally answer. So for this one, it is what operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, does the highlighted word refer to? So I'm talking about the word sum, right? What is sum talking about? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then you want to explain that in your video, okay? So you want to make sure you do that. And also if you want to write it down, right? If you want to make a little section right here for verbal explanation, so you could kind of keep it as a script as you are recording yourself, you could write it on the side, like on this side of the paper. And you can say, the word sum means what, okay? And that is what you would write right here, okay? So Make sure you write out every single question, lesson number, and option you picked. Show your work. Have a verbal explanation on the side if that helps you read your answer as you're recording, okay? And each recording will have about 3 minutes. All right, so you have number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? Good luck, folks. You got this.